Rolling?
Yes.
I got everything I need here. Y'all want windows? I got windows. Check it out. Oh, I got extra windows. Y'all want electricity? I got me some electricity. You name it, I got it. Don't look at that. I got booze. Check it out right here. There's 2 bottles of booze, it's hard liquor. Why is in this house for 2 things only? Electricity and hanging motherfuckers. For your artistic side, like over here, I got some fruit basket on the wall. Show my artistic side. They're all in my basement.
Where's the basement?
Where's the basement? It's below. Get food. You'll be a gangster, you'll get food anywhere. You got people living in bunkers here. That's my neighborhood. Do it again? Or do you have it?
I don't know.